The Honda CR-V compact SUV is a perennial bestseller in Canada for many reasons, such as its smart, spacious cabin and efficient powertrains. But there's also the fact that it's one of the best-known vehicles in its class, having been in the Canadian marketplace for more than 20 years. For 2019, the only change is the addition of a new paint color called Platinum White Pearl. That leaves the CR-V's basics alone, 190 horsepower and 179 pounds-to-foot of torque come from a 1.5-litre turbocharged four-cylinder engine. The entry-level LX trim starts as the front driver that can be optioned to AWD, while the other three trims, X, XL and Touring, all come with AWD as standard in Canada. Regardless of drive system, a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, gets the engine's power to the road. Honda's small SUV supremacy faces some competition this year as Toyota rolls out a new RAV4. While Toyota has taken its compact crossover in a more rugged direction, Honda's more car-like design continues to set the tone for the segment. CR-V standard features include 17-inch alloy wheels, an electric parking brake, a windshield wiper deicer, heated side mirrors, automatic on/off headlights, digital gauge cluster, dual-zone automatic climate control, passive keyless entry, heated front seats, 4-speaker stereo with 7.0-inch touchscreen display, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support and 2 front USB ports. Active Safety Kit is standard starting in LX models with the optional AWD system. The so-called Honda Sensing Suite includes automatic high beams, forward collision warning with automatic braking, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation and adaptive cruise control. X-Trim adds 18-inch wheels, the Honda Lane Watch blind spot display, fog lights, variable intermittent wipers, sunroof, garage door opener, cargo cover, 12-way power driver's seat, 2 rear seat USB ports and a 6-speaker stereo. XL models bring a power tailgate, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, 4-way power front passenger seat, heated rear seats, leather upholstery and an 8-speaker stereo. Finally, Touring trim adds blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, LED headlights, panoramic sunroof, rain-sensing wipers, navigation, ambient interior lighting and a 9-speaker stereo with HD radio. The 2019 Honda CR-V SUV's fuel consumption ratings are 8.4/7.0 liters/100 kilometers, city, highway, for front-drive models, and 8.7/7.2 liters/100 kilometers with AWD.